Guys, let's observe that my setup is already going further, right, as we can see here. So guys, I want you to observe that here I can see the name of my company. Remember that in the Azure Active Directory, I specified the name of my company as Chavi Kalra Company. Although we cannot see the logo here, but I guess that should be fine. I can still see the name of my company. And guys, this is what your autopilot looks like. If you guys have done normal installations of Windows 10, I'm sure that you would have observed that the login looks a little bit different. You are given options to use a domain account, or you are given options to use a local account, but here we are directly given the option to log in within the Chavi Kalra company. Right now, that was a name which I gave to my Azure Active Directory under the properties, right? So this is how your autopilot looks like. And I think still in my devices section I cannot see that there is any Windows device registered or visible here, right? So now let's do, first of all, let me show you the properties here that we added the name earlier, right? Now let me log in with my credentials itself. And my credentials are k16.microsoft.com, right? Let's click on next. Let's enter the password. So guys, again, because my account is configured with multi-factor authentication, I am going to approve that from my mobile phone. Done with that. And guys, you might have observed when you go for the normal Windows 10 installation, you are asked for the keyboard settings, or you are asked for the language settings, or you are also asked for the privacy settings, like whether you want to specify the location or enable the ease of access and those kind of settings. I think if you can observe here, like we kind of didn't got any of that prompt in this case. So by using autopilot, we can just deliver the device as it is to the end user. All we need to do is add the device ID information in the Intune portal and assign it to a device autopilot deployment profile. As soon as the user will open the machine for the very first time, that he will be prompted to log in using only his Azure AD credentials. And since this is going on, I think we should be able to observe that this device should now have been added in Azure Active Directory, and also it should have been enrolled to Intune. Let's observe if it is still added. And I guess, guys, there's my device. See, if you can observe, remember that I gave we gave a naming convention in my deployment profile. So as you can observe that the device got added, and also the same device should be visible to me in the Intune portal as well. Okay, it's not yet there. Maybe we can wait for a few more minutes. It might be taking some time because it is already there in the Azure Active Directory portal, as I can observe it here. See, we can even check that the device is a Windows Autopilot device. Devices deployed with Windows Autopilot cannot be deleted in Azure Active Directory. Right? So we can check this here, and it should not take more than a minute to be visible in the this, yeah guys, and your device, the my device is right there. Right, the name of the device is not yet perfectly visible, but I guess it's okay, we can give it, and it is right there. That's it guys. I think maybe we can wait for a few more minutes and see that it is still logging in. And guys, of course the name of the device should be perfectly visible, but again it can take a few minutes, although I think we can very well observe it here. So guys, at the last, I just want you to observe that the device is visible in the Intune portal, and moreover the device name is exactly according to what I specified in the autopilot deployment profile. Right, so that's it. That's how the so the option which we selected was user driven. So this is how a user driven autopilot deployment can be done. And I think we can verify this one thing from here, the name also, that the name of my device has been configured according to the, yeah, see, I think now that makes it pretty clear. Thank you guys.